If you're a painting contractor that uses PaintScout, I want to show you how you can automatically add your contacts to MailChimp, Constant Contact, HubSpot, whatever email marketing tool you're using. You can have them automatically added based on certain triggers that happen inside of PaintScout. So if that's of interest, stick around because that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. I am the owner of Boolean Automation, where our mission is to free you up to do what you love. The way that we do that is by working with painting contractors to help them select the correct technology and tech stack to run their business. And I got a spoiler alert for you. The correct tech stack depends on what your business goals are. As you can imagine, a company that is shooting for $1 million in revenue that has, some subcontractors and an owner that's doing the estimates is going to be very different than a $10 to $15 million painting company that has sales managers, marketing managers, multiple sales reps, supervisors, all that stuff. There's just different information that you need to track at different stages of your business. We have worked with everyone down from a $2 million painting company that's looking to be more efficient as they scale to the largest franchise that you can think of in the painting world. We help select the software that is going to make that painting company the most efficient. So if that's of interest, grab some time on our calendar. We'd be happy to chat. That's what we do here at Boolean. All right, so let's get into this topic of PaintScout triggers for adding people to MailChimp. So if I go in here, I love this new feature inside of Zapier. And by the way, if you don't know how to use Zapier, I've got a video on some basics and understanding Zapier for the painting world. It's super powerful, great tool to automate a bunch of miscellaneous things like this. So PaintScout, auto add subscriber to MailChimp. Go ahead and hit submit, and then it's going to automatically make some suggestions over here on the side. So when a contact is created in PaintScout, I want to add the subscriber tag in MailChimp. So the way that this works, I'm going to connect the Boolean YouTube PaintScout, and we're going to hit continue. And I could have this set up so as soon as a contact is added here, which is a fine way to do it. Keep in mind, though, actually, let me go back. You can do contact created. You can do when invoices are sent, when different stages. PaintScout has awesome triggers for a whole bunch of different things. So just think, I'm showing you MailChimp stuff. If you want to know how to automatically get your PaintScout information back into your CRM when you send a quote, I have a video on that. When a customer accepts something, if you want to have a series of things happen, you can automate that process as well. There's a lot of strategy that goes into that. So like I said, we're happy to help, but we also have all the videos on here if you want to learn and look into that yourself. So check out our channel with the other information. But I'm going to stick with this contact created and continue. And I'm going to go to my PaintScout account and log in here. And I'm going to create a new contact. So I've got people here, and we're going to add a new contact that's going to be called Princess Leia, and phone number is 555-555-5555. The email is going to be princessl@boolean. Let's do helloboolean.com. And the address is 123 East Galaxy Way. City is Galactic Empire. And the state is Idaho, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and confirm. So I just added a contact. Now, if I jump back into Zapier here, I can find new records that were just added. And sometimes it takes a few seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and click refresh this one more time. Wait for that to process. And then I can look here. There's Princess L that I just added, and we can continue. Now on this MailChimp piece, I can go in and find that I want to, well, first of all, select which audience you want to add them to. By the way, if you don't have your MailChimp, let's go back to this step here. So for adding to the subscriber to a tag, I actually like the add update subscriber. So I'm going to modify to that one. If you don't have your MailChimp account connected, it takes a few seconds. You can do that just by, hitting account or add. And then here, I'm going to choose the audience that I'm adding them to. The email is going to be, the subscriber email is the contact email. And then the double opt-in, I recommend doing true. You can do what you'd like there. Yes, we want to update existing. I'm going to skip these ones here. Let's go down to first name. So we're going to add Princess. Last name, Leia. And then the street address here, we're going to add address. I don't have a line 2, or I never use a line 2. For the city, we're going to do city and state, and postal is our zip. There we go. Phone number, might as well add it. I always think, when you automate processes like this, you might not have put all this information before because it was manual. It's like extra work. Why do that? But it's useful to have that information in here. So if you automate it, why not map it out the first time and then have it in there every single time after that? So every time a subscriber or a contact is created in PaintScout, you're automatically adding them or updating their information in MailChimp. So I'm going to go ahead and skip that. But that is how easy it is to do that. So let me know, what else are you interested in doing when it comes to PaintScout or any other software in your painting business? This, if you're not using PaintScout, you could do this with Estimate Rocket, with Sumo Quote, with Drip Jobs, any estimating tool. As long as they have a Zapier integration, you can do this type of thing. Let's also say you're not using MailChimp. You could do this with Constant Contact or any other big email tool. And like I said at the beginning, if you're wanting to help in identifying which estimate tool should I use, I'm new to PaintScout. It's kind of confusing. I need help. Reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you navigate those things. We work specifically with painting contractors. So if that's you, we'd love to chat because we can help you make your business more efficient and free you up to do what you love. We'll see you in the next video.